How to change your ONADA password. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to change your password or update your password on ONADA application using your smartphone. First things first, launch open the ONADA app on your device and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page, go to the More button at the bottom right corner and tap on Accounts. This will take you to the hub.onada.com website from where you can easily change your password. Go to the top right corner and tap the menu button and then click on Password Management under Profile Settings at the bottom. Now click on Reset Password and you'll receive a password reset instructions via email. Go check your email inbox and open the email from ONADA and click on Reset Password. Select any web browser to continue. And now enter a new password you want to change to in the first field. Once you are done, head over to the next one and re-enter the password once again. And finally click on Reset Password at the bottom. Once you do that, you will be able to change your password on ONADA account. Always make sure that you include uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols in your password. Avoid easy to guess words like birthdays or pet names. And after you do that, you will be able to be secure by changing or updating your password on ONADA. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.